Is Viagogo legit? Viagogocom review for ticket marketplace. Is Viagogo legit? Viagogocom review for ticket marketplace. If you're looking for tickets to concerts, sports or theatre events, you may have come across Viagogo. But is it a trustworthy platform or a risky marketplace? Most people get this wrong by assuming it functions like a traditional ticket seller. The surprising truth is that Viagogo is a secondary ticket marketplace, connecting buyers with resellers. You won't believe what happens next. While tickets are usually delivered, prices can be much higher than face value, and some users report fees and misleading listings. Customer experiences vary widely. Some buyers successfully attend their events, while others encounter delays, invalid tickets, or poor support when problems arise. Viagogo is technically legitimate as a business, but it's crucial to approach it with caution. Check ticket guarantees, seller ratings, and compare prices with official outlets. Always read terms and beware of service fees before purchasing. In conclusion, Viagogo is a real platform, but it's high risk if you're not careful. Use it as a last resort for sold-out events, verify sellers, and be prepared for extra costs. For safer ticket buying, prioritize official sources when possible.